Hello viewers, welcome to our Odoo technical session. Myself Dipanshu from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. Today I am going to teach you how to use position replace with inheritance concept in the Odoo. So don't waste the time and let's start now. So position replace is used when you want to replace any field in the Odoo. Below is the syntax of position replace. In the XPath expression, you have to write the path of field which you want to replace. Into the position attribute, you have to write replace and then add new field. So let's understand by the example. So this is the employee menu of HR.employee object. Now click on any one record. So this is the form view. So our goal is to replace this work email field of HR.employee object. So our first goal is to define new field. So here we have to create new PY file and define new field. So we want to replace field of HR.employee object. So we have to write _inherit is equal to HR.employee. Here I define new field place. This is the character field and give string employees place. So now we have to put this field into the form view of HR.employee. So for that we have to create new XML file. So here you can see I create new XML file, I create new record and I write unique ID inheritance_HR_employee. Then in the model we have to write ir.ui.view. Then I write a unique name. We want to replace field of HR.employee object, so we have to write HR.employee into the model name, and into the inherit_ID we have to write the reference ID of form view of HR.employee. So you can find this reference ID like this. First you have to go into the browser. First you have to go into your browser, then click on any one record, then activate the developer mode by writing $debug is equal to 1. Here you can see I activate the developer mode. Then click on this icon, scroll down, then click on edit view form, and here you can find the reference ID of HR.employee object. So copy this ID and paste here. Then into the XPath expression you have to write the path of work email field like this. Then write position is equal to replace and then add new field. Here I add field place. So now restart the server and let's move to the browser and refresh this page. So here you can see the field work email is replaced by the new field place. So this is how the position replace is work in the Odoo. If you have any doubts, questions, so let's write into the comment section. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for the watching our video. Let's meet into the next session.